before everything just went
welcome back to
blank.
another video. And you already know what we're about to do. You already know. Cold start. Oh yeah. I still need my service. But not really service. It's more my brake fluid. So I still have yet to do that. I gotta do that soon. Yeah, but welcome back to another video, guys. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. And right now is actually gonna go get a car wash because the car is dirty. After that, we're gonna go to the homie George's house and watch the UFC fights. We're gonna meet up with the homie David and then the homie Sean as well. So it should be dope. Might take you guys along for a little ride with us, but definitely gotta go watch this car. I also want to say thank y'all for showing love on that last video. I truly appreciate it. If you guys haven't yet, go check it out. You guys would see that I have a T51 R mod, and I did like a little bit of I showed you guys how it is in the freeway, and depending on if you guys like it spooling so loud or not, that would determine whether you guys want to buy it or not. If you guys haven't watched it, go check that out. But damn, it sounds good. But I will be picking up the camera when I get to the wash. Damn, I was spinning the whole time. My gosh, I know you guys can hear that. Alright, we are here. Now you know what time it is. Time to get to washing.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so I just arrived to the homie George's house, but I wanted to show you guys the whip real quick because damn, she look good right now. And dude, I found one flaw right now. The paint on the bumper is chipping right here. I already texted my body shop and told them about that, but paint is chipping, so we might need to repaint that black part and probably this part too where I'm pointing at. She is looking good, bro. And I also hit up someone about the diffuser, so I might actually get that done very soon because yeah, it is starting to fade completely. I'm starting to see my carbon yellow a little bit, so it needs love. My carbon needs love right now because it is starting to yellow. Other than that, she's looking good though. Sheesh. Wheels are hard to keep clean, especially the rears because it's brake dust. Look at this, it's already dirty. Damn. Good with the homie Lev's XM, and this thing is insane, bro. The hexagon roof. Nah, this XM is insane. It even has pillows in the back when you want to get freaky, you feel me? The leather. Nah, this thing is baller. And it has like the stealth black paint. Big baller. Damn, it does have nice wheels. I'm tripping. And then the whole grill lights up. Yeah, this thing is sick. Look at the grill. That shit's sick. With the white interior. Nah, bro. Let me get the warm start, dude. Let me get the warm start. Chill. Oh, this thing is so sick, especially in the stealth black. Damn, big G with the M340 R2. Man, I need to start mine up.
Early the next morning.
Well, top of the morning, y'all. Right now, as you guys can see, it is morning. It's a gloomy weather. Kind of love it though. I love this type of weather. I can wear a hoodie and everything like that. Shout out to the homie Carlo at 890 Movement. GR hoodies. These are so sick and they're always comfortable. So if y'all want one of these, I don't know if they're still in stock or not, but I'll leave the link in the description down below so you guys can check them out. Give Carlo some love. But right now we're headed to State of Speed. We've been to this meet a couple of times already, but I'm running a little late as usual. I woke up early, I laid down real quick and knocked right back out. That's where I fucked up. Should I have not laid back down. Anyways, I'm on my way. The homie D is over there. I didn't see really anyone else other than D over there, but we'll see what's up. I already saw his story. It looks like a lot of variety of different cars that are gonna be there. Got a little 35-minute drive, shouldn't be too bad. It's gonna be a nice little drive, especially with this weather. But pick up the camera when I get there. Hopefully I don't get there too late and it's not too packed. This meet always gets packed, so. By the way, last night's fights, the UFC fights, were insane, bro. Those fights were crazy. I watched all cards, prelims, the prelims than the main card. That fight, insane. The 2 knockouts that were done the same with the back hitting and spinning elbow. Oh my, bro. I would not want to get knocked out by a back spinning elbow. So much pressure. That shit look like it hurts, bro. The way they got knocked out with that, oh, hell no. Anybody who does UFC or any like combat sport like that where you're hitting, constantly getting hit, kudos to you, big dog, because you got some big balls. And shout out to the females too, because y'all got some big balls too.
What did he say?
Alright guys, this thing is so packed, bro. It's packed like I've never seen it before. This thing is crazy. I've never seen it to a point where like there's no parking. That's just like crazy to me. You know, I'm gonna park right here behind this van. I'm gonna just go right behind him. Damn, bro, look, as soon as we walk in, oh my gosh, this color is beautiful. Look at the wheels too. Damn, this thing is sick. This color is crazy. R34, you guys already know. This thing is beautiful. Never disappoints, but the bends though, these bends came in clean. Sheesh. The white one with the windshield wipers. Oh, this is sick.
What's
The
up,
meeps. Look, this is baller right here. The gold hardware. Nah, this is tough. I love the wood right here. Man, this thing is gangster. Nah, this is fire. That's beautiful. Need me one of those. Even the tips. But yo, this thing is packed today, bro. You can barely park anywhere, bro. I parked up like on the line over here on this side, but I even got the homie Brent right here. I mean Brent, I'm sorry. I said Brett. I meant Brent. But I like how he painted it white too on the top, but this one is the chill. Damn, that thing is cooked, big dog. But it's clean though, it's clean. He went to Monterey too, so lucky son of a I had FOMO, he went. Damn, this Evo. This thing is clean. There is a lot of whips today, bro. Like I'm telling you, I did not expect it to be this packed today. It's usually never this packed, but today they are showing out. The S2000 though. The carbon fiber hardtop. That thing's sick. Bro, the Hondeezy. I want me a Hondeezy again, bro. I want to play around with a Honda again. Sylvia's, R34s. Damn, bro, this car is everywhere. I'm telling you guys. I'm trying to find the homies if I could find them. Man, look at this Corolla. Big old turbo. Dang. R34. Bro, these things are becoming common now. You're starting to see them everywhere. Everyone's starting to import them. What in the world? The Project Goldwing. What is this? Writers wanted woman and men. Damn. The Vets. Chill. The Z06s. Damn. Oh my god, a horse. Damn, this beat. Oh damn, my voice is cracking. This Alpina is clean. Damn, this thing is beautiful. I like the little eyelids it has right down top. This thing is sick. Damn, the Toyota right here. This little red Corolla. This is fire. The wide body. There's a lot of sick builds here today, bro. There's a lot. This Honda's pretty clean. There's all track base too. This color is nice. It's not like a white, more like a cream. I like it. With the Japan plate. Can you stop looking at my friend's car so hard? What's up, bro? I was Monterey.
I mean, no, it was tight. Like, Monterey is tight.
Yeah.
I love Monterey. Straight up driving around, it feels like a Forza lobby.
Oh, fucking
Like, you'll be driving around, boom, Enzo, just like driving past Agera. It's like, what the fuck?
must be nice.
And then it was weird. Dude, show game.
Damn, we got our coffee, yes, and now we get to walk around. And I found Sean. Sheesh. Nice little lap now, because I haven't really showed you guys a lot, but you guys seen that NSX before. That one's beautiful. Then on the E88s, he got new wheels. Dude, that dude wins every award, every show. This thing is beautiful. That orange lip in the bottom. Woo. The titanium and the turbo. The lip too, I really like that lip, how he painted that color on the side. Yup, you already know this one. The Century. This one, baller. Century always pulls out, you know, he always comes out, shows out. This is fire. This is fire with the Toyota logo. You don't see these very often. Dude, the VS's on these are tough. Holy shit. Damn, dude, this is really beautiful. VIP for real, for real. This Porsche is sick too. Hall rod right there, sick. Bikes. Dude, there's all types of build today, bro. This is insane. Same thing with this one too. Crazy body kits that they would do, like very Japan inspired. This thing is sick. Look at the exhaust. But if the sun was hitting, this paint would be hitting too. The interior is so nice. Right hand drive. Damn. This is sick. But look at the exhaust. Damn, imagine driving this. It's gotta be on bags. This right here too. Oh my. Look at the headlights. The headlights just look crazy himself. Yeah, this build is sick. The wagon. The Impala. I seen one on the highway. It was like a 6'4", but he was like parked on the side. I don't know. Hopefully that dude was okay. Damn, dude, this is dummy pack today. Bro, this thing is a beast. That shit loud. She's on the phone and she can't even hear. Holy shit. Nah, this is crazy. Ooh. Damn. Cut out on the hood. That's crazy. That wrap is insane too, that color. But this is very nice. Beautiful. This thing is nice right here. I would have just parked right there. That is nice though.
Nah, too good for that shit.
Agile wide body, the man himself. Damn. Hey yo, that dude is bumping on that little Honda hatch over there. That bass is bumping. I'm not gonna cap. Damn. Yo, these things are tough, especially this Mercedes right here. I think he's like on a 3-piece, almost looks like it, but this one is so dummy clean. Like, bro, this makes me want one of these. This thing is fire, bro. Look at the wheels. Those are so baller. The interior is a baller, beautiful. Damn. Even the chrome, all this. Damn, this thing is so nice. This is hard. The Acura Legend. This is too gangster. Those wheels are fire. Interior, you already know. Grandma spec. But that's so sick. And the Alpina just looks good. Everything pretty much, you know, is dying down. Same thing with this. This color is crazy. Almost like a midnight purple too. Almost kind of vibe. This is very 2000s vibes too. The wheels itself. And then check out the back. It gives you 2000 vibes for sure. This is crazy, even the strut bar. But yeah, a lot of people have left. I didn't get to show you guys a lot of the cars because I was catching up with the homies and everything like that, trying to move my car from here to there. But there was a lot of people today. I'm like kind of sad I didn't get to show you guys a lot, but these builds are sick. Like the VIP, especially this one, man. This one, I love that one. All right, so we all heading up out of here. Sean, D, Carlo, we all dipping. And it was a dope turnout, bro. Like I said, I'm sorry I didn't get to record everything, but it was a dope turnout. We might meet up later with them because there's a photo shoot going on, so I might pull up to that. We'll see, but not 100% sure. And the GTRs next to each other, side by side. That's sick. Damn. And the Pontiacs.